Ooh. It's a little brisk up here. Breezy and wet. We're on an adventure.
Welcome. We're Kevin and Jeannine, a Canadian couple who have escaped the rat race and are continuing our dream of slow travel around the world. Subscribe and follow along this season as we cruise Southeast Asia aboard a McConaughey 55 catamaran.
It's just about 1:30 in the morning and we're gonna go on a hike today. We're doing a sunrise hike. We're past the easy part. Mount Batur is an active volcano located in the center of two calderas in the north of Bali. It is 1,717 meters high and has had many eruptions over the years, its most recent being in the year 2000. The lava field visible today is from the eruption in 1963. There are 15 villages located in the caldera surrounding the volcano, and agriculture is the main source of income for most, although tourism is becoming more popular due to the relatively straightforward trek to the summit of the central crater. This is the trek that we're doing today, and we're starting early in the morning to time arriving at the summit for sunrise.
Yeah, something like that.
Temple partway through.
Looks quite newly decorated.
Yeah, the colors in there are really nice. Offerings along the way. Cool. A long line of people coming up the mountain.
Yeah, it is. Nice.
Okay, go. That's right. Sunrise. Little shelters up here. Oh. Whoa. So we're not cooking eggs on the volcano? On the... Sometimes. Yeah, banana sandwiches. How is it?
It's sweet.
Good energy food. Yeah.
I agree.
This ridge is really cool though. On the other side we have the lake. So this mist that we see, the heat, you can feel it. And up here they can boil eggs apparently.
Oh, it's warm.
Yeah, it's quite warm. I feel like I'm going to the sauna. Hello! The smart people are over here. Oh, cool. Yeah, so it's just steam. There's not like... It's getting tricky. Whew. Next part of our adventure. Jeep tour.
Let me hold that for you.
There we go.
Okay.
The Three Musketeers in the back.
Three Musketeers, yep. it. Yeah.
There's our mountain.
Yep. That's a nice hike.
This is the lava river from the past eruptions. Most recent is the little one over here. But you see there's another crater there. Another one there. Goes all the way to the lake. Pretty wild.
And
Couldn't see earlier, but look at our ride. It's very yellow.
very yellow.
It's fantastic.
Yeah. And this weather is almost a yellow submarine.
Oh! Monica, I need to see your special socks. Super socks. Yes, to cover your head before putting the helmet on. That's my guess.
I didn't know. Okay.
All right, Jeannine, look at this bird. Hello, pretty. I did my Yachtmaster Offshore Certification in Manly, Australia, but unfortunately I don't have much video to show you. I was so focused on the testing that I forgot to do any videoing.
Today is Balinese New Year. It's March 10th this year, and it's kind of a special event. There's a lot of prayers and things happening at temples, but also they build these, they call them Ogo Ogo, these big statues that they parade through the streets today. And the idea is that it's like a cleanse, basically. Tomorrow is a silent day. You're not allowed to work. You're not allowed to go outside, so you have to stay in your home. Apparently they turn off the 4G so you won't have internet. It's pretty interesting. But the idea is to chase away bad spirits. So these Ogo Ogo are the bad spirits cleansing the town, and then tomorrow all the spirits leave. So there's a couple here. And another one coming.
Look at that side.
Yeah. That's pretty graphic to go through the streets with. Gucci. dinosaur creature. People are getting ready for the parade.
The wind is increasing a little bit more than I like.
Ooh. The first Ogo Ogo.
That's it.
So while Kevin has been away, we've been doing some jobs around the boat.
Yeah, trying to fix some, what do you call it? Some tightening the sail, and it's totally...
It's come undone.
It's come almost off. There, then you just take this thread in there,
Put it
take
through the loop and pull it through.
Then you have the first stitch, and the good thing, you can tighten it with this one later.
I don't know what to call you. Not sailmaker.
No, not sailmaker.
Seamstress, but that's... No, that's a great job. Thank you. Service the winches. Changing out the solar panel. So we endeavored to change the solar panel. Unfortunately, it decided to take some paint with it. So we're gonna do a paint job here. And to make it clean, we're trimming a bit of the other paint, the old paint. Just turned into a paint job also. That's the way it is sometimes. We got the boat polished, which is fantastic. Hired some people to help with that. And a few other things are just kind of non-stop, taking out all the boxes. So we received some replacement door sweeps because ours, they've got rust in the ends. If you can see that. And they're leaving rust stains on the floor, and they're seizing inside. You can't remove them. So we want to replace them with these. However, what we've received doesn't fit. So Kai here is trimming.
For one door.
For one door. We're trimming to see if this is a reasonable option. It does fit when you trim it, so I might just spend a few hours doing this. It's working! And hopefully the boat is shipshape when they get here, which is in a couple days.
And the cheese.
Vodka, tomatoes, special
That's
tomato paste.
That's a puree, that's
Yeah, nice and thick.
Yeah.
Cream,
yeah.
garlic, chili, bacon.
And it should be fresh parsley.
Okay.
But we don't have that.
Well, that'll do.
Yeah, the parsley is
Good.
good.
Goes the vodka into the bacon and garlic and chili.
That should be cooked around 1 minute. That should be enough for the alcohol to disappear.
So we don't want to get tipsy off of our pasta. Today, I'm up the mast. A couple other big boats around. Then our big boat, of course. we're doing a bit of cleaning, and it's actually coming out really nicely. This never dull stuff is removing a lot of rust spots that we couldn't get otherwise. This is a cremation ceremony. Provisioning run complete. And not a minute too soon, Kevin and Steve should be arriving 10 minutes. I gotta get this stuff away. Today we're leaving Bali. We're gonna head off to, I guess, Lombok for our first night, and then make our way to Komodo. It's exciting. It's Komodo dragon.
It's right up against the window.
It's up against the window.